No heck at all. There we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Same thing for you. Be careful with your mommy today.
I will be very careful.
Okay. And some extra sauce if you enjoy.
Thank you. You speak Japanese. You look really good in this shot. Do we have chopsticks?
We do.
It's actually a quick video of tasting everything.
So intrigued as to what these taste.
Is that salmon?
No, so this is like the rice. It's something. So this is fried rice basically, and this is salmon sashimi.
Delicious. So you're off meat, but you eat fish.
Yeah, so I'm a pescatarian.
Pescatarian.
Yeah.
That's a good diet.
It's not a diet, it's a way of life.
Chicken. I wish we still had chicken. We're gonna cook this next. And
The biggest fan of that bit.
It's too hot, but oh, that paste is delicious. And oh, that moment, it was so hot. I hate having to wait for food to cool down.
I know, that's what problems, right?
Oh, it's so good. That paste is so good. This paste, it is so good. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Who's that?
Oh my god, I trouble for food. No, this is him.
Please.
No, babe, don't.
I'll do it if you don't do it. I would have recorded you.
I love watching him.
I love watching him.
It's just, okay, so this is him. So right now I'm eating vegetable bibimbap.
And he's like, he's my inspiration. And my family's inspiration too. My family love him. My family love watching him.
He's hilarious. He does the same facial expression, right? And he eats anything.
I know. That's what I love about him,
He mixes it
though.
all in. That's true.
He must have some strong metabolism.
Right? Because the stuff he has, it's like crazy. I was watching one when he was in Lebanon.
Yeah.
And he was eating like raw balls of meat. Just like that. I was just like, whoa. That's intense.
Some strong stomach right there. I burnt my tongue. I hope my lips get bigger. Honestly. Because there must be some like positive outcome from burning my tongue. I mean my lips.
Oh, bless you for it.
No?
Maybe.
But yeah, because I burnt it. When I drink the alcohol, it just stings now. Can't enjoy my fruit. It is what it is. So you know, when that cools down. This is the caramelized. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Caramelized beef that I couldn't eat before because it was too hot, but now I've demolished without a camera. That's okay. No. Mark Wayne, is it Mark Wayne?
Oh.
What's his name?
Mark. Is it Mark?
It's Mark Twain.
Yeah.
I love his reactions.
I would love to have him over for dinner. I feel like,
he's gonna love it.
no, but even if you would cook the most basic of things, like, I don't know, lamb shank or whatever, you would taste it and his eyes would just light up. Because he's that sort of person, you know? Oh my god.
I don't think it's, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, it's
I don't know where that came from.
It's more like, ooh. I can't even. But this is alcohol. You drink this after you drink.
Wait,
the long
aren't
glass.
you supposed to pour what's in the squirt back into the glass?
I think he said you drink it from here. That is. Isn't that what he said?
If it's wrong, the people will come for you.
I can't do one shot, it's too much. But if it's wrong, I'm sorry. The guy said, like, you drink this and you drink that. I could be wrong. Nonetheless, it's gonna be drunk. Drunk? Drank. What's the key? It's gonna be in my stomach. In my gullet. So we've demolished the food. Completely gone. We don't waste no food here.
Hilarious.
Especially Japanese food. Stacey, any
Yes,
comments that you want to make?
No, the food was fabulous. Yeah. Good for pescatarians. What more can I say? 4 stars. There's always room for improvement.
You look really good in the shot.
I bet I don't.
You bet you're wrong.
Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu.
안녕하세요. Hello, hola. ¿Cómo estás? All the languages. Kamela ka, dahanda ka.
How do you know all of this?
I'm just saying random words. I don't know if I know if I'm saying the right thing.
Okay. Well, here's
Oh.
another word. Bali.
Bali.
Yeah, that's like quick in Korean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you say delicious in Japanese?
I'm not too sure.
In Korean? Basho.
Is it like 예쁘다?
You put it as pretty.
That's how twisted
Yeah,
my memory is. It's crazy.
It's alright.
We'll try. We'll
Huh?
try.
We'll try.
Yeah. We'll try to learn more language.
Yeah. Well, adios amigos.
안녕하세요.
Oh, you said it right.
Hello.
Annyeonghaseyo is also bye, I think. Annyeong.
안녕.
Yeah. Would you believe there's this Portuguese lady in my workplace?
Yeah.
And I'm trying to learn Korean, yeah. I never thought about learning Portuguese, but I've been to Brazil before, and I wanted to learn Portuguese when I was there. But I only know a few things like muito bien, bien, and I think it was como está. I think that was it. And obrigada and chamada. That's the only thing I know.
Obrigada.
Yeah. We do next.
I have no idea. No, I'm still young.
Thursday.
Actually, it's
It's
not. I've got
Sunday.
work in the morning.
We both do.
I was just like, half lemon, half lemon.
Oh, is that what you got?
No, but she still put the whole thing.
Oh, yours is.
Pretty as possible.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh, it's a video. Well, babe, not the best lighting, is it?
I know, you're right. This is pistachio ice cream, my favorite ice cream in the whole wide world. And here's a sorbet, mango and lemon.
Oh, yeah.
And we're in, what's this area called again? Well, I'm always here yet.
I have no idea.
Well, it's near Chinatown and the Harry Potter place. That's how I know this area. And closest station is Tottenham Court Road. You like it?
Really good.